record. Sorry. So yun, so that they have only one product for the past years. And then dun isa yung reason that ako naging curious to know more about this company kasi having a one product and very successful for a couple of years is really something. It's really special, right? And that night, hindi lang siya yung nabusog ko kasi alam niyo po, yung nag-cater lang naman in that event, and maybe they are over 5,000 people inside that World Trade Center. And ang nag-cater po ng event na yun, no, is Sofitel lang naman. And of course, I am so exposed sa mga events like that whenever we have events in dun sa company ko before. Talagang we have registration fee. Then, whenever pipila ka talaga. Pero dito ko nakita how they treat their sales force, their people. Alam niyo po ba, ang nagsiserve Sofitel ang nag-cater that night. And then per table, merong 2 waiter na nakatayo, nagbabagsak ng pagkain. And ang kinain namin that night are 8 courses meal lang naman. Magkano po ba ang per plate, no? Per plate sa Sofitel way back 2019, sabihin natin 3,000 to 5. Pero 5,000 people, how much is that? And then yung cost pa ng venue. Then the stage alone, yung presentation, yung decoration, yung all, grabe talaga po yung nakita ko doon. And that night na there's something in my heart no nagsasabi na bakit di mo subukan, wala namang mawawala. And this is naman food supplement, so it would not be conflict with the product that I am endorsing that time kasi cosmetic naman siya. Pero when I heard about the price, sabi ko, Diyos ko po, paano ko naman ito ipo-push, di ba? Minsan nga, lipstick, foundation, no? Sa cosmetic company ko before. Inuutang pa ng tupi, pahirapan pang maningil. Tapos ito, parang, how can I, no? How can I build my business? Pero I took a chance, no? I really give a chance to myself. And then that night, I realized, di ba nabanggit ko kanina na I felt na I was kinakabahan ako and I was unfair to the company that I am serving on that time. Pero I realized that hindi ako nagiging unfair in that company, but I realized that I am being unfair on myself, not giving a chance, and also to my family, na I'm being unfair to them, not giving the chance also, no, na mabago rin yung life ng family ko. I decided that night, kay Miss Mining, sabi ko, sis, I wanted to do the business. How could I start? I don't have this much money, pero I wanted to start the business. And then I am so thankful with my sponsor, si Engineer Mainin Amugis, na talagang she was so kind and generous to help me out all throughout. No? So we are having events in Bulacan, and siya nagpupunta from Laguna, papunta dito sa Malolos. Nagko-commute lang po siya that time to build my business, and also we go to Baguio, and then tinutulungan niya rin ako with my leaders in Laguna, no? In Laguna that time. And then here comes pandemic year 2020. We all hit, diba? So parang we are all shocked what to do. So na-stop na naman yung ginagawa namin na building business in Leeway. And then of course, I was nakafocus na naman ako in my other business, which is cosmetic company. Pero I saw her, no, during that pandemic. I saw her how she did really the business even at home. And you know, at the middle of pandemic, ladies and gentlemen, nakapag-renovate siya ng bahay niya. No, middle of pandemic, maraming mga tao na nawalan ng trabaho. But she is really earning. She is really earning per month. And then, August of 2020 last 2022 na pala. August of 2020, we met a really sobrang challenging in our life, lalo sa husband ko. Nagkaroon siya ng maliit na sugat sa paa na hindi gumagaling, no? Hindi gumagaling for how many months, no? And then August of 2020, sabi ng kanyang doktor na internist, sabi niya, you need to prepare 500,000 for the amputation. Sabi ko, ganun na lang yun. Amputation agad, wala bang any remedies para hindi mangyari yun. So, ang sabi kasi is yung infection ng sugat ng husband ko is nakadikit na siya sa buto. So, kapag tinatagal pa namin, pwedeng umakyat yung infection, and then mas mataas pa yung mapuputol. And then here comes yung product, which is oral stem cell. And then, we were able to secure one bottle, no? And then, pinatry ko sa kanya, sabi ko sa kanya, pag hindi yan nag-work, saka natin isipin, no? Gawa ng kalating million. Pero ito muna. And then, hindi niya pa nag-boost yung one bottle, we saw a lot of improvement sa kanya. Number one, wala yung lagnat niya. So, ibig sabihin, addressing infection. Pangalawa, yung sugat niya, unti-unti nagda-dry up. Kaya yun na, ang daming nakikita ng kanya na talagang sinusundan siya ng, alam mo yun, hindi lang, pero bangaw. Kasi yung ginagawa ng husband ko before, just for us to survive that pandemic, nagtitinda siya ng mga bagnat silog, yan, silog-silog, kung saan-saan siya nagdi-deliver. So, ang daming nakakita ko nung kanya na talagang ganun yung situation niya, hirap siyang maglakad. And then, bisikleta lang po yung sasakyan ng husband ko that time. And nung nakita nila nag-improve yung kanya, doon na po nag-start na mag-share yung husband ko. And now, my husband is one of the diamond, she's two-star of our company, no? From really, we are really broken down, talagang sad-sad, no? Hopeless. We don't know kailan matatapos yung pandemic, kailan kami makakabawi. Pero last 2021, it's really a breakthrough for us, no? For our family na talagang kung ano yung nabawi na wala sa amin for the past years, health, financial, is nabawi namin ng year 2021. And we are here to share to you this very great opportunity. I will be able to share my screen to start my presentation, no? Important po tayo is namin sa inyo. Alright? So, now, ayan, pwede po ba ang paharap? Kasi baka mamaya wala na pala akong kinakausap. Pero, I can see my screen that we have 20 participants, no? Thank you so much. And I will make sure that you will get valuable information today, no? That would add value to your life. So are you seeing my screen now that it says about Rewave? Can I have a heart emoticon sa screen natin? Ayan, nagta-thumbs up na yung husband ko. Ibig sabihin, okay na. So Rewave, this is the company that I am sharing to you na talagang naging way for us to bounce back in our health and bounce back in our life as well. So Rewave is an international company based in Singapore. So it started 14 years ago in Singapore. Yung aming founder, which is si Mr. Lim Boon Hom, no? She started the company na he believes that there is a right way in addressing any concern in our life. Mapa financial, mapa spiritual life, mapa sa health natin, no? Social life, no? Anything, there is still a right way for us to address that. Now, I would like to share to you this one, no? So, nagulat po ba kayo with the screen, with the picture that you are seeing right now na I believe po lahat po tayo, no? This is our kumbaga final destination, no? In time. So, nung pinangalan na talagang believe, kailan natin, no? Kailan po tayo madadala sa hantungan na to. Pero I believe na wala pang taong ready. No? Nobody is ready for this chapter of our life. That is death. Tama po ba? Do you agree? Pero this picture really gives us really this reminder for us to value more our health, for us to value more our life more than anything else. And there are reports that came from the World Health Organization in May of 2018 that talks about that sentence without committing any crime. Pwede po pala yun that you commit a crime, no? And then you will be sentenced to death, no? You will be sentenced to death without committing any crime, I should say. So paano yun? Whenever you acquire these top 10 killer diseases, number 1, heart disease, number 2, stroke, number 3, Alzheimer's, number 4, lung cancer, number 4, number 5, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, number 6, lower respiratory infections, colon cancer, diabetes, 9, kidney disease, 10, and breast cancer. And did you know that all of these diseases, up to this moment, ladies and gentlemen, there is no total cure. Do you agree? The only thing whenever we go to our medical doctors, yung binibigay lang nila, the only thing that they are giving to us, because it's the way, it's the way they address our health concern, is just giving a maintenance medicine. When you say maintenance, from the word maintenance, it is not made for it to be totally cured. It will just maintain the current health situation that you have in your body. No? Hindi siya maging worse. Itong mga sakit na to, we acquire because of 4 factors. No? Number 1 is aging population, wrong diet, pangatlo ang stress, and of course, pollution. These are the leading causes of these deadly illnesses. And it already reached yung tinatawag na bottleneck crisis in today's medical science. Meaning to say, medical science, they don't even know ano na talaga yung cure sa mga pasyente whenever they have these diseases. Alright? Pero I have a good news for you. So, muna tayo sa bad news, no? So we have recent medical science breakthrough, ladies and gentlemen. This is the discovery of the stem cell. So meaning to say, yung stem cell, it is not chemically made, it is not man-made. It is already present in this world. It is already present in our body. It was just discovered that whenever you use this stem cell into medicinal purposes, it will have unlimited treatment boundaries. Why? Because our body is made up of stem cell. I will show you. No? I will show you this diagram, no? That our body is made up of stem cell. So whenever an egg cell from our mother will be fertilized, no, it will form into one single stem cell, and that is the mother stem cell. And this stem cell has the capacity, ang behavior po nito is to duplicate. Magpapadami po yan. No? And then after duplication and forming into a blastocyst, no, that has the ability, no, to provide or to supply enough stem cell para developing iba-ibang internal organs inside the body. And then after 9 months, we will be fully developed. No? So we will be born in this world after 9 months. So going back to the diagram, it is safe to say that our body is made up of stem cell. Do you agree po ba? Can you have an example or hand naman dyan? Emoticon? Okay. Alright. So the most basic form of all living things is the stem cell, and the most basic unit of life. So meaning to say, our body is made up of stem cell from head to toe. Our body, from hair to our nails, our body is made up of stem cells. And it has the unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries, and eventually it will have miraculous abilities. Okay, so stem cell po kasi, the work of the stem cell inside our body, they are the ones that do the repair, regenerate, and renew and protect the cells inside our body. So like for example, nagkaroon ka ng sugat sa kamay, nagkaroon ka ng maliit na cut. Kahit wala ka pong ilagay dyan, Na kusa po yan gagaling. That is the work of the stem cell inside your body. Then, when you grow older, of course, your stem cell also grow older. Kung ilan yung age mo ngayon, yun din po ang age of your stem cell inside of your body, right? So, the question is, whenever we feel something wrong with our body, ano po ba yung ginagawa natin? And if our body is made of that material, the stem cell should do also the repair. Yun po dapat ang gagawin natin to repair our body, right? So for example, you have a table in your home right now, and that is made of wood. Kapag yun nasira, natanggal yung paa or something na chip, no? On the side of the table, you will also use the wood, the same material that is made of that table to bring it back to its original form. Tama po ba? Do you agree? So whenever we have something wrong with our body, nakakalimutan natin that our body is, God made our body na meron siyang ability to have self-healing through the stem cell. Pero whenever sabi ko po, kung ano po yung age nyo ngayon, yun din po yung age ng stem cell. So, hindi niya na nagagawa 100% yung kailangan niyang gawin inside your body comparing when you were younger. Now, these are the miracle of the stem cell. These are the reports or the publication outside of our company. Galing po to sa iba-ibang mga publications like Time Magazine, The Truth About Stem Cells, Economist Magazine, Cancer and Stem Cells, The Connection That Could Lead to Cure, AIDS Patient Cured with Stem Cells, yan, Stem Cell Therapy to Treat Diabetes. And then ito po yung pinaka-favorite ko, no? Itong 100 Chinese, 50 Chinese. So, mag-guess natin, meron po ba nakakabasa ng dyan, Chinese language? Meron po ba? Hindi ko kasi nakikita yung mga mga message niya, no? Pero ang ibig sabihin lang po nito, 100-year-old man over a body of 50. So this man is taking the stem cell, he is already 100 years old, pero he looks like 50 years old. Why? Because of the reverse aging. So di ba nabanggit ko po kanina na yung stem cell, ang work niya sa katawan, it will repair, it will regenerate, it will protect cells inside our body. And these stem cells are immortals, no? Nagsa-self-renew sila. And if your body is full of baby stem cells, lahat ng internal organs mo will be replaced ng baby stem cell. So what would happen outside? No? It will also manifest in your face. So you will have that reverse aging, whether you like it or not. Pag nagtitake po kayo ng stem cell, you will look younger 5 years, 10 years, or even 10 years more younger. So isa po yun sa mga side effect of taking the stem cell. Okay, side effect siya, pero it's a positive side effect pa rin. And then, these are the methods of receiving benefits from stem cell today. Ibig sabihin po, ito na po yung available in the market wherein we can get the stem cell. The first one is the placenta injection in Switzerland. So dito po nagpupunta yung mga rich and famous, like yung mga politicians, sila Eric, sila Enrile, Marcoses, Simpson Brothers, and all the rich and famous all over the world. No? So sobrang dami nilang sa sobrang dami nilang properties that they need to protect, no? Kailangan nilang mabuhay ng mahaba. No? Kaya hindi nila, they don't even care kung how much po yung stem cell injection po sa Switzerland. And did you know that one injection po in Switzerland ng stem cell, it will cost you around 2.4 million. One injection lang po yun. So that is really expensive, time-consuming, kaya para talaga yung sa rich and famous. Pero that is really super, super effective po yan. Now, ito naman, we have stem cell transplant. We have available na po yan here in major hospitals here in the Philippines. Yung procedure na yan, yan yung ginagawa sa mga pasyente na kailangan directly i-inject dun sa organ na kailangan ng regeneration. For example, we have 2 kidneys, left and right. If your left kidney is not that functioning anymore or hindi na siya nagpa-function normally, mahina na. So, ang gagawin ng doktor, kailangan po nilang reinforce yung left kidney para mag-regenerate ulit siya. So what they will do, they will extract stem cell from your right kidney na healthy and functioning well pa. So kukuha sila ng stem cell doon, they will process and then they will inject back doon sa left kidney mo that is not functioning well anymore. Pero ang problema nito, expensive na nga, no, masakit na sa bulsa, masakit pa dun sa pasyente kasi you will undergo the procedure without anesthesia. You will be on the operating room, no? Kukunin nila yung stem cell sa kidney mo, pero wala po anesthesia. So, sobrang sakit po nun. And then, this one naman is cord blood banking. Ito po yung ginagawa ng mga artista ngayon, mga talagang mga rich and famous din namin. Ever. Sila po anak. Yung cord blood nila ni baby or pusod ni baby. Hindi po nila tinatago sa bahay. Okay? So what they do is, they preserve it in a facility sa hospital para they would have a future source of their own stem cell. So, ibig sabihin, si mommy or si mommy or si baby, once nagkaroon sila ng illness, chronic diseases, they have nakaprepare na stem cell. So, process lang nila yun and then i-inject back sa kanila 100% they will recover. Pero there is a missed chance and time limit kasi meron siyang expiry kasi you need to consume it and you need to use this stem cell hanggang 20 years. No, so sobrang 20 years lang, mag-expire na po siya. And then sobrang mahal din po niya ng preservation, nasa $500,000 per year. Another one is the placenta injection in beauty salon. Ito yung worst place wherein we can get the stem cell kasi we are not sure of the source. And yung gagawin sa face mo, are they really license to do that? And take note, ladies and gentlemen, kapag nagturok dito, whatever the result, it will be permanent. No? So nakakatakot po. And this one, if you want naman free, no? Free stem cell, ayaw mong gumastos, gusto mo lang libre. So kailangan lang healthy lifestyle. No? So let's define ano bang healthy lifestyle. Number 1, nag-exercise pa every day. At least 10 to 15 minutes every day. And then you are taking food supplement every day. And also, wala kang stress sa buhay. Kinakain mo ang organic, ano? So, kaya pa ba yun with our fast-paced world today? We are living in a fast-paced world, no? So, this is really ineffective. And persistent na siya. Okay, and then the last one is the adult stem cells banking. For example, I am 38 years old po ngayon. Magpapaprocess ako ng stem cells ko sa doctor ko and then ipapapreserve ko lang sa facility nila. Para when I get 45 or 50 years old, meron akong 38 years old na stem cell na pwede kong gamitin. So kahit saan yan, pwede kong gamitin. Pero, that is already adult and for sure, meron na rin siyang mga medical concern. Okay? So the question is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? So here comes our oral capsule modern technology. And for the record po, Rima International is the first and only company that successfully encapsulated a live stem cell. Rima is the only company that has this modern technology. So, yung technology na to was derived from German technology. Kaya po yung product po namin, which is the oral stem cell, it is a combination, it is a fusion of German technology and Chinese medicine. Okay, so this one is drying technology. This is the first process. So yung main source of the stem cell, which is coming from the placenta of a deer. Sa Switzerland, ang ginagamit nila is placenta from the black sheep. Pero mas biocompatible sa human cells ay deer kasi they are blank cells. So wala pa silang function, no? And then, yung deer, deer considered as the cleanest mammal in the world. They don't have gallbladder, kaya they are very picky eaters. They have the ability to distinguish good or bad pasturage. Kapag hindi fresh green grass yan, hindi nila kakainin. So, yun po ang nature ng deer. And then, so Chinese medicine, yung deer is considered as divine beast kasi from antler to its tail, it has a medicinal benefits sa atin. So now, ano naman po itong freeze drying technology? This freezer po is located in our manufacturing plant in New Zealand. Okay, you heard me right. Product is made and manufactured po siya in New Zealand. And pertaining to standards, security sa New Zealand comparing to our country. Sa tingin niyo po, ano po ang mas kayang standard? Meron po ba kayong nabalitaan na fake product galing New Zealand? And pertaining to fake products, hindi ka po makakapagpadala sa New Zealand kung meron po kayong kamag-anak doon. Hindi ka makapagpapadala ng mga fake na items. No? That is galing sa isang friend ko na nanggaling na po doon at may kamag-anak. No? So ganun po sila ka-strict. Now, this freeze drying technology, whenever may mga anak na deer sa farm in New Zealand, they will just harvest yung placenta in millions of stem cell inside. Yung placenta na yun, ilalagay po nila dyan, in-extract yung live stem cell. So if i-freeze dry po nila yung live stem cell to make it preserve and maintain it bioactive for 3 to 4 years. Alright? And then this one is nitrogen filled technology. Ibig sabihin po, there is a presence of nitrogen gas inside the capsule. So ano naman ang work ng nitrogen gas? This will prevent oxidation, which will make a live stem cell na mabulok. Kasi any presence of oxygen, no, it will cause oxidation or pagkabulok. For example, naghiwa ka ngayon ng naghiwa ka ng apple, in few seconds lang nag-brownish na, tama? That is the presence of the oxidation. So para maiwasan po yun, inumit po yung oxygen, pinalitan po siya ng edible nitrogen gas. And this will serve as parang maliliit na freezer inside the capsule. So yung product, no need po ilagay sa freezer, ladies and gentlemen, okay? So hindi niyo po siya kailangan ilagay sa freezer, room temperature lang, pero hindi niyo rin po pwedeng iwanan sa car na tirik ang araw. Okay, mamamatay po yung live stem cell. So very sensitive. The third technology is the enteric coated technology. At ano naman po yung technology nito? Pag sinabing enteric coated, meaning to say there is a coating outside. No? So meron siyang coating outside that will protect the capsule and the live stem cell and other ingredients. Para pag ininom po natin, hindi po siya matutunaw sa stomach. First time po ba kayo nakarinig na yung food supplement ay hindi natutunaw sa stomach? Lahat po ng natin, food supplement maintenance na walang enteric coated, natutunaw siya sa stomach. And once natunaw po yan, 10% lang po yung na-absorb ng katawan natin. 90% tapon sa ihi natin. Kaya huwag mong sasabihin sa akin na, Miss Van, hindi ko na kailangan yan because I take a lot of food supplement. Did you know that the more food supplement or the more vitamins, the more na mga gamot na iniinom mo, nabubugbog po yung kidney nyo in the process. The special coating, this product, hindi na siya kailangan ma-digest sa stomach, hindi na siya kailangan ma-process ng kidney. Kasi, pag inom natin, mamaya may video po akong papakita, pag inom natin, ibabypass na lang po yung stomach, magpapass through lang po siya doon, and it is the time na ma-dissolve siya sa small intestine. Wherein, small intestine doon nangyayaring absorption ng lahat ng nutrients na nang-derive from the food that we ate. Tama po ba? And it is safe to say that our product, yung capsule, the ingredients inside the capsule are already cell nutrient at the cellular level na siya. So readily be absorbed by our body. Okay? And then the fourth technology is the emulsification technology. Meaning to say, this technology allows this stem cell that can penetrate up to your tiniest veins inside your brain and at the back of your eyes. Kahit gaano po yan kahit pong i-penetrate ng stem cell. It has the capacity to transform into smaller molecules. And then this one is the biosoftgel technology. This is just for the perfect delivery system. When it gets inside your small intestine, it will dissolve rapidly. So, mas mataas po yung absorption, no? 99%, wala po talagang natatapon. Alright? And this technology is available with the one and only exclusive health supplement in the world, which is Portier, especially sourced from the pollution-free country, New Zealand. All right, and the number one health supplement brand in the world already consumed by millions of people. So when you ask me, Miss Van, effective ba yan? Million na po ang nagtitake. So yung efficacy niya, hindi na po siya questionable. Alright? So this video will explain to you the activity of the product inside our body. So let's watch this video. The answer to reverse aging, and it is already in 6th edition and made in New Zealand. Alright? So ito naman, this is the reason why our company chose beer as the main source of the stem cell. Sabi ko nga kanina, from antler to its tail has the medicinal purposes. Kahit dugo yan, no, meron pa rin siyang medicinal purposes. Kahit sungay yan, no, meron pa rin siyang medicinal purposes. Okay, and then this is the reason why we need to take health supplement. Number one, prevention, supplement, recovery, detoxification, lower the three highs, protect, repair, regenerate, no? And for example, we have all these three highs, no? Tawag dito, kung hindi ka sa lahat ng highs, no? High in sugar, high in blood sugar, cholesterol, high blood pressure. So kung lahat ng concern na yun meron ka, iba-iba rin po yung ninyo, tama? So tatlo din yung inumin mo para ma-address yung health concern na yun. Pero did you know that for care placenta standard with only one product to fulfill all your health supplement needs because of the presence of the live stem cell? Okay, so kung ano yung kailangan i-repair inside your body, yun po ang ita-target ng stem cell. So you need to take this minimum 6 months, no, para buong katawan niyo po is mapuntahan na po ng live stem cell. Pero kahit po yun sa mild to moderate concerns lang siya. Alright? And then so this is the evolution of our product from the first edition, second edition, third edition, fourth edition, fifth edition. The cost, no? Adding by adding additional ingredients, hindi po tumaas yung price ng aming product since it was launched 14 years ago. Di ba nakaka-amaze po, no? And ours, 6th edition, ito na po yung latest. The Ultimate Perfect Innovative Breakthrough. Yung live stem cell niya naging 100 mg na po. And the cost of 100 mg na live stem cell sa hospital, pag magpapa-inject ka ng live stem cell, magkano po ang cost nun? It will cost you 40,000 pesos for just the 100 mg. Pero yung 100 mg na cost 40,000 na sa isang capsule lang po ng 40 pesos. And isang bote, meron po tayong 60 capsule. So 60 capsules times 40,000. Magkano po yun? That is, magkano po? 2.4 million worth of live stem cell pala ang nandun sa isang bote po ng 4 year. Pero good news, hindi naman po worth million yung isang bote po namin. And na-enhance po to nano-size yung marine collagen. We have also apple polyphenol. We have also fucoidan. Fucoidan is a recognized health supplement in Japan. And based po dun sa study ng Japan Cancer Institute po doon, it can kill millions of cancer cells in just 24 hours. So it can serve as natural chemotherapy. Kasi it will only harm the cancer cell. Kaya maganda po siya sa may mga cancer. And then the last ingredient is nucleic acid. It was specially extracted to white strawberries. And did you know that this is close to 10 million research trials? So if you ask me, Miss Van, may clinical trials ba yan? Of course. Ito na nga yun, sa isang ingredient, so nucleic acid, 10 million research trials. No? So how much more po? No? So ito yung nucleic acid. It is patented po siya with company. So 20 years po, naka-trademark po yan. Ibig sabihin, wala pong pwedeng gumamit ng ingredients na to within a span of 20 years. Kasi yung company po namin ay naka-discover. Alright? Now, ano naman po ang work ng nucleic acid? Ang nucleic acid is anti-inflammatory, anti-oxidation, and anti-tumor po sa katawan ng tao. And ito po yung pinaka-summary of the ingredients. Beer placenta live cell, of course, the main, highly concentrated. Nucleic acid, the white strawberry, fucoidan, apple polyphenol, dendrobium, marine collagen, evening primrose oil, squalene, and lycopene. So this will supplement, prevent, recover your body. It will help your tree house. It will also, your body will undergo so detoxification. And it will protect your cells, it will repair your cells, and then renew your body. So with this, all of these ingredients po is present in just one capsule. So tanong ko po sa inyo, pag kakain po ba kayo ng apple? Kailangan niyo po bang, pakain pa sa doktor nyo? Kakain kayo ng strawberry? Kakain kayo ng tomato and avocado? These are all good, ladies and gentlemen. Kaya ang grade ng 40 sa FDA is food grade eh. So food supplement siya, no? And ang pinakamaganda po nito, this is the only food supplement that there is a live stem cell inside. Ito yung one of pinaka-importanting ingredient kasi ito po yung magre-repair inside your body. And sooner or later, kung ngayon nag-maintenance po kayo, sooner or later, magiging po yung maintenance nyo or mababawasan siya from 5, magiging 2 maintenance nyo or even 1. Okay? And these ingredients will serve as food of the stem cell when it gets inside your body as well as the nourishment of your body as well. So shooting 2 birds at the same, one bullet. Okay? And then ito naman yung dosage, no? Pero hindi po applicable sa lahat. Pero you need to take this minimum 6 months para sa mild to moderate concern. Ang mild to moderate concern, wala maintenance. Pero once may maintenance ka, hindi na po ito ang iyong dosage. So in the morning, 2 sa umaga, 2 sa gabi, first month po yun. So 4 capsules per day in your first month. Second month, 1 sa umaga, 1 sa gabi, hanggang 6 months na yun. Kaya you need 7 bottles to complete your 6 months therapy if your concern is just mild to moderate concern or for just prevention. Pero if you already acquired diseases, yung mga top 10 killers natin na dumiscuss ko kanina, iba po yung inyong dosage. Alright? And this is the price of the product. No? Isang bottle po siya is 20,818. And if you will bring, 7 boxes, meron po siyang discount na 11,000. That is only 135,000. Mas ba? Grabe naman, only 135,000. Of course. 135,000 lang ba ang value ng life natin? Yung 135,000 ba, hindi mo ba kayang kitain yan ng ilang libong beses? If you are healthy. Tama po ba? Pero if you're healthy at stake, you can never work. So you can never provide for your family na. No? So your health is the only wealth that you have for you to give back to your family. So that is the truth, no? True to life story. No, we have a promo. Ito po yung promo natin, no? This month, we have 7 bottles plus 7 if you buy yung isang diamond set, which is 7 bottles, 135,000. you can get additional 7 bottles free. So parang buy one set, take one set. So this promo is until July 15 or while supplies last. Sa Davao po, as per the other day, wait na pong stock sa Davao office namin. So hopefully this, meron pang stock sa office until July 15 or while supplies last. Alright? So if you think, some solids expensive, sabi nga, wait until you have hospital bills. Mas mahal pa po yung mga gastos nyo sa hospital. No? So mag-admit lang ako na nawala. Okay, so now we're going forward, moving forward to the second part of our presentation. I will share to you po quick sharing about the people, the lives of these people that been changed.
I know my sister, he did, and then she said, go back, that's important already. Oh my God.
Nalagit ko lang po si Ma'am Elizabeth. Alright. So this woman po, nagkaroon siya ng neck tumor, no? Pero because of her age, hindi po siya pumayag sa doktor niya. Ang recommendation ng doktor niya is to do the operation. So sabi niya, baka dun po ako mamatay sa operation, ayoko po magpo-opera. Kaya nag-take po siya ng 4th year. After 4 months, nawala po yung tumor niya. And then this one, yung reverse aging na sinasabi ko po kanina. Alright? So nakita niyo po yung difference. And then this one, very, very, very mild lang. Gout, arthritis, and of aging. Pero so painful po kasi sa kanya dahil yung lifestyle po ni tita is very active. So labas siya ng labas, punta siya ng iba-ibang bansa. So nung nagkaroon siya ng arthritis, hindi siya makalakad, nasa bahay lang po siya. So na-depress po siya. Pero because of taking the product, na-reverse po yung sakit niya. And now, ito po siya after 6 months. Healthy po ba siya o sobrang healthy? So nakita niyo po yung before niya, parang yung old self niya 6 months ago, parang nanay niya. So ayan na po siya, we have the same thing, doing also the advocacy of clearing the oral stem cell. And then this one, si Miss Amina po from Davao City, meron siyang severe bronchial asthma. Since childhood po, meron na po siyang severe bronchial asthma, and every quarter nasa hospital po siya. Pero after taking the product po in just 4 months, ayan na po siya. Nawala po yung pag-growth ng face niya kasi hindi na po siya nag-steroids. And sa 2, 4, 6 na maintenance niya, isa na lang po yung maintenance niya po, swing healer, pero as needed na lang po ngayon. And ito na po siya, nakakapag-basketball na po siya and do things like boxing that she really love. Pero nung isa pa, hindi na po yan nagawa. Pero now that she is already healthy, giving back her health, nagagawa niya lang po yung mga bagay that she wanted to do whenever wanted to do. Yan. Then this one, si Armando Patosa naman po, meron po siyang chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. More than 10 years na po yan na may COPD. Ito po yung father nung nag-share sa akin, si Engineer Maylene Patosa Amigis. Ito po yung tatay niya. Ito po yung story nila. Bago mag-try yung tatay niya, 10 to 12 times nagpapausok everyday, nag-nebulizer. Iba pa po yung oxygen, iba pa yung PAP and other maintenance meds. And 5 steps lang, hinihingal na po yung father niya, kaya hindi siya talaga lumalabas sa kwarto. And every month po, nasa hospital po sila for the past so many years, kaya million na rin po yung nagastos nila sa hospital. Pero still, lalong nag-worse yung case ng father niya. And luckily po, buti na rin, they really made the decision para itry sa father nila. Ang sabi ng kapatid ni Miss Maylene Muñiz, 135,000 lang ba yung value ng life ng father ko. So they really took the chance, even though hindi na nilang na-try na food supplement. Sabihin niyo po lahat, na-try na po nila. Kaya po, isa po sa mga nag-disagree is yung mother nila nung binigyan nila yung product kasi nalaman yung price. Pero nung nakita po nila mag-improve yung father nila, at yung 10 to 12 times sa pausok, naging once as needed na lang po siya, then nakakapag-travel na rin, nakakapasyal na rin po yung father nila. Biglang yung nanay niya, sabi niya, hindi niyo ba alam na meron din ako sakit, may migraine ako, meron ako, sir, na po yung sakit ang nanay niya. Nilabas na kasi gusto niya rin mag-take. Di po ba? And then this one is si Pastor Albert Lastimosa, nagkaroon po ng diabetes. Nagkaroon po siya ng sugat na di gumaling. And then, ayan, after a month of taking the product, yan, nagkaroon po siya ng self-healing. After 6 months, yan, keloids na lang po yung sugat sa paa niya. And ang maganda po, yung diabetes niya is manageable na. Then this one, Belinda Dapi, siya yung isa sa pinakamahirap po na i-convince to take our product. Why? Because she was a nurse by profession and nag-work po siya for more than a decade in US as a nurse. Pero doon po siya na-stroke, half-body paralyzed po siya 5 years na doon. So, umuwi na siya rito kasi hindi naman po siya gumagaling. Kaya sabi niya, galing po sa US, lahat ng magagandang facility, ng technology, magagaling na doktor nandoon, hindi naman ako okay. Tapos sasabihin niyo sa akin, gagaling ako sa isang capsule na yan. No? Kalokohan yan, scam yan. Pero buti na lang po yung anak niya, very, very persistent na itry niya. Kasi anak niya, nakita niya marami pang matulungan yung product. Kaya binilan niya po yung nanay niya ng stem cells, so wala nang magawa yung nanay niya, na inumin. So from wheelchair, no, naging ano na po siya, nakatungkod na po siya. Bakit ayaw ma-share? Yan. Nakatungkod na siya. Pero after few months po, nakakalakad na po siya ng walang tungkod. Diretso. Makita niyo po ganun pa siya. Pero ngayon, straight na po yan. Talagang naka-recover na po siya.
Bit-bit ni si Mami, wallet.
Body paralyzed. Alright, this one naman is psoriasis. 16 years na po yan may psoriasis. So bloated din po yung face niya, yung katawan niya dahil nag-steroids po siya. Pero after 6 weeks, ayan, nakita niyo po yung resulta. I don't need to explain anymore kasi very, very, very obvious po yung effect. Now, ito naman po is brain tumor si Edgar Estrella. OFW po, galing po yan ng Saudi. So from Davao International Airport, diretso po siya sa Davao doctors to have the medical laboratory kasi to check ano yung wrong with his body kasi wala siyang gano'ng kumain, humihina siya. And then doon nakita na meron po pala siyang tumor sa utak. So of course, pag may tumor sa utak, ang recommendation dyan, no, pag hindi makaya ng gamot, is operation. Pero because of his condition, hindi niya kakayanin yung operation, baka ikamatay niya. Palagi siya, nag-take siya ng 4th year, hoping that after few months, pwede na siya mag-undergo ng operation. And bumalik siya sa doktor niya after 6 months of taking the product. And nagulat yung doktor niya, sabi niya, ano pang operahan ko sa'yo, magaling ka na, wala ka ng tumor. And ito po siya, yung picture na may hawak siyang birthday cake. He was 52 years old last year. Sunod po kami ng birthday niya. Ang birthday niya ay September 19, ako naman September 20. Kaya hindi ko po yun makakalimutan kasi mag-friend po kami sa Facebook. So yan po siya. Very evident sa kanya ang reverse aging. Pag ganyan ba ba itsura ng isang tao, sa tingin niyo po ba healthy po ba siya o hindi? Healthy po, di ba? Kasi it will also reflect outside. Kung ano po yung nangyayari inside our body, it will also reflect in our face, of course. Then this one naman, si Misa, she was diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer year 2016. She is a medical technology, medtech by profession. Nag-work siya sa isang medical technologist. Sorry. Ayun, ano po siya? Nag-work siya sa isang hospital in Leyte. So since nag-advise ang doctor niya to do the 6 cycle of chemotherapy, ang tanong nila sa doctor niya, Dok, pag nagpa-chemo ba ako, gagaling po ako. So tinapat siya ng doctor niya. You have only 4 to 6 months to live. Pero pag nag-chemo ka, medyo ang haba lang yung buhay mo, pero mamamatay ka rin kasi may cancer ka na. Okay? Kaya she decided to go for alternative medication. She took 6 capsules of 48 since 2017. And ang nakakatawa po dun, ladies and gentlemen, in just 10 weeks, yung cancer marker niya from 20.7 naging 13.5. So yung cancer marker kasi ito po yung basis, no? Kung nagpo-progress ba yung cancer cell or hindi. So ito, sa 20.7 naging 13.5 na siya. So very remarkable po yung kanyang progress. And did you know that last June 25, 2022, last month, isa po siya sa speaker sa World Trade Center sa aming gala recognition night. And isa po kami sa doon sa invited to attend that night. And she is really doing well in our company. She is one of the top in our company. from cancer patient, no, yung kanilang challenge, no, naging breakthrough po nila because of Freeway International. And ngayon po, hindi lang po siya ang doing Freeway, pati yung kapatid niya na engineer, yung kapatid niya na branch manager ng isang bank is doing Freeway full-time. And then this one naman si Nona Aquino, ovarian cancer po yung sakit niya, nagpakino po siya dyan, stage 1. Pero hindi niya kinili po yung side effect ng chemo, kaya in-stop po niya. Kaya nag-take po siya ng 40 in just 2 months. Yung 13.5 naging 4.7 po yung tumor marking. And after 6 months, ito yung certificate na nagsasabi na she is already cancer-free. Ayan na po siya doing advocacy of oral stem cell. This one naman si Dr. Ancina, she is really special to me kasi isa po siya sa tumulong sa amin, sa team namin, to cope up with the new normal pandemic. So siya po yung nag-initiate ng mga Zoom events, Zoom training, so nag-attend po kami sa kanya, and ang dami po namin natutunan. And I've learned that ang dami po pala niyang sakit. May lupus siya, spicy liver enzyme, so na-ulcers, hypothyroidism, and also nagkaroon po siya ng breast cancer. Meron siyang 5 tumor in the left breast. But because of Portier placenta, just taking the oral stem cell without any operation, without any chemotherapy, nawala po yung tumor sa breast niya. And now she is one of our top leader. Isa na rin po siyang Pegasus in our company. And then this one, si Attorney Leolete, he is an orthopedic surgeon and lawyer at the same time. Ito naman po yung nakapag-influence sa husband ko na mag-take ng Portier. Kasi since sila ng case, diabetic din po siya, pero ito naman si Doc Leo Alarte, diabetic siya and 16 years na po siyang nag-i-inject ng insulin. Pero because of taking Portier in just 6 months, natanggal niya na po yung pag-i-inject ng insulin. No, in just 6 months. So he is the past president of Philippine Medical Association, naging vice president din po siya ng Philippine Hospital Association, and he is the president of Stem Cell Association of the Philippines. So napakahirap po itong i-convince, pero dahil nagkaroon siya ng personal experience of the product, he is now also advocating full-time our oral stem cell. Doctor po yan at lawyer. And he is now the Pegasus in our company. Now, ito naman po yung sa husband ko. Nagkaroon po siya ng maliit na cut lang sa paa. Nagkaroon ng sugat na hindi gumaling for so many months. And then until nag-gangrene po siya. And then, kita niyo po, nag-block na rin yung paa niya. Pero because of Portier, after 2 months, ayan, na-recover po yung paa niya. Hindi po natuloy yung amputation. And then ngayon po, magkasama po kami in doing advocacy in sharing this oral stem cell and also helping a lot of people how to regain back their health and also yung kanilang career as well. Now, I would like to watch this video, ladies and gentlemen. These are the people from our team. This video.
You know po what is very interesting is when you get better. When you started to feel good about taking something, you started to get up without any pain. Gumaling ka sa sakit mo. Anong una-una mo nararamdaman? Di po ba excited ka?
Magkano yung bote? 20,000. Magkano yung hospital bill ko? Nahigit pa dun sa isang set ng natin, ng product natin. Kaya nung time na yon, alam nyo, nung napagaling talaga niya ako, in-advocate namin yung product. Kasi iba talaga siya eh. Pag yung nalaman mo sa family mo na merong may sakit, tapos may hope pa pala, talagang, alam mo, mabibless ka, tapos pasasalamatan ka.
So talagang, alam niyo po yung parang maiiyak na ako nung nakikinig ako. Kasi my mom is, nagkaroon siya ng hairline crack sa hippo niya because sa pagkakatulas, ayaw magpa-opera. More than 25 years na siyang diabetic. Ang sabi niya, ayoko magpa-opera, patay na kung patay. Diba? So, gano'ng kasakit sa isang anak yung maririnig mo yung nanay mo na gano'n. Pero nung narinig ko to, sabi ko, ay, pwede namin itong i-try. And take note, kamukha nyo rin po, muntik akong himatayin, narinig ko po yung 135,000. No? Kaya lang, yun nga po I go back to the reality na, teka lang, bakit siya ganun kamahal? And then nung nalaman ko na stem cell siya, wow, ang mura pa.
I have a little cut po nung last year na lumaki, hanggang sa nag-color violet po yung paa ko. And yung pong infections kumalat na po sa buto. So, pag hindi po ma-amputate, kakalat po yung infection sa buong katawan ko. Remarkably and miraculously, the stem cell work for me. At the same time po, talaga pong dito po na-realize yung value po ng health.
Ito po yung aking papa, no? Siya po yung COPD na sinasabi ko kanina. Kung makikita nyo, nag-i-enjoy na siya, nakakalabas na siya ng bahay, unlike before, nahihiya po siya kasi lagi siyang inuubo. And then, last 2019, nung wala pang pandemic, nag-testimony na po siya in front of thousands of people. No? And during that time, napakasaya po niya kasi yung tatay ko grade 3 lang siya. And I'm very proud kasi kahit grade 3 lang siya, napatapos niya po kami lahat. No? 9 po kami magkakapatid. And grade 3 siya, farmer, kaya sobrang gamit na gamit yung katawan, no? Kaya naniningil na rin ngayon. Payback time na rin kumbaga. So payback time na rin for us to them.
Sorry for that. So that ends my presentation for today. I hope I am able to add value to you today. So can I hear feedback from you? Meron ba ang kausap pa? Saglit lang po, I'll just read yung mga message. Narinig niyo ba yung video kanina? May sound ba yun? O may sound naman daw sa iba? Alright. So, if meron pa po bang questions ating mga guests? Do you have any concerns? May expiration ba? I mean, when is the time to stop using it? Once healed. Alright. So once okay ka na, pero masasabi natin, we can say that you can stop taking this oral stem cell once it will be read, no? In your medical laboratory. So talagang ina-advise namin talaga, and we insist sa aming mga patients na after taking it 6 months, no? They will undergo a medical laboratory, it's executive check-up, para ma-check ano na yung development, ano na yung na-improve. Kasi baka mamaya along the way, meron kang tinitake na maintenance meds, hindi na pala kailangan, nagtitake ka pa din. Or yung dosage ng maintenance mo, kung dati twice a day, o pwede na siyang once a day. So ang magsasabi naman po nun sa maintenance medicine po nyo are your medical doctors kasi doon sila mag-base sa medical laboratory po nyo. Pero, since this is food supplement, wala naman po itong overdose. Even though wala ka ng sakit, so po pwede ka pa rin mag-take. Mag-take ng stem cell to prevent na yung magkaroon ka ng sakit as well. Pero, mas slow na po yung dosage po nyo. Alright? Sige, magbasa lang po ako. Once a day po ba ang pag-inom ng capsule? Minimum po ang pag-inom po nito is twice a day. Pag mild to moderate concern, nang mamatter lang siya dun sa dami ng capsules. Kasi kung may maintenance meds ka na, hindi enough yung isa sa umaga, isa sa gabi. I-maintain natin yung 2 sa umaga, 2 sa gabi. All throughout the 6 months. And If you want talaga, I know, yung iba talagang gusto nila na gumaling agad-agad. Alam niyo po nun, of course, yun naman ang pinaka-main goal natin, no? And mag-okay agad yung ating health situation. So the more you are taking the stem cells kasi, mas mabilis po yung pag-repair inside our body, mas magiging mabilis nyo pong mararamdaman yung effect ng stem cell. Okay? And then dito po, paano po mga sumasakit ang tuhod arthritis na operahan na po makakatulong? Of course. And only stem cell can do regeneration, no? Sa mga joints natin. And isa sa pinaka-unang na-sharean po namin last year na pandemic, no, February, isa sa una namin na-sharean, ang sakit nito sa tuhod. Meron siyang osteoarthritis, hindi siya makalakad. Biglang sumakit, hindi na siya makalakad. And then, nang shinare namin sa kanya, may benda yung tuhod niya, naka-compressor. Alam mo, may compressor, yung compression na yan, nilalagay sa tuhod. Tapos nakatungkod siya. Then, in-explain ko sa kanya, in-explain namin sa kanya. And then, ni-refer yun ni Jeffrey Bote. And then, right then, after the presentation, nag-order siya ng 1 set. Kasi nakita niya yung benefit of the product. And ayaw niya na po uminom ng any maintenance medicine. And you know, in just a matter of 2 months, nawala na po yung pain sa tuhod niya. Kapag drive na po siya at the age of 72 years old, from Bulacan to Bataan, back and forth siya mag-isa. And then now, nasa US siya kahapon, nag-fly siya going sa US, enjoying her life na walang pain sa tuhod po niya. So, you never try, you will never know, no, yung effect ng product sa atin. Alright, and sino pa? Meron pa akong miss-set. Si Ma'am Gwen, thank you Ma'am Val, I'm delighted. I'm now a stroke patient with maintenance. See you soon on SAT. Yes, Ma'am Gwen, siya po yung pupuntahan namin in Baguio. So, meron pa po bang question? So, take advantage po of the promo. Hindi po ito laging nagpo-promo. And once ubos na po ang stocks, no, wala na po tayong product. Kaya until July 15 or while supplies, last lang po yung aming promo natin. Alright? So thank you so much everyone. So I would not take much of your time na po. I know it will be lunch na in a few minutes. So thank you so much for all your pwede po ba tayong mag-picture? Wala tayong picture po.